In this tutorial, we're going to be going over LeetCode 1757, Recyclable and Low-Fat Products. Now, this is number 2 in the 30 Days of Pandas series, a series I've been covering here on this channel. Now, in this question, it's saying product ID is a primary key column with unique values for this table. Low-fats is an enum category of type Y and N, where Y means this product is low-fat and N means it is not. Recyclable is enum category of types Y and N, where Y means this product is recyclable and N means it's not. Write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable. Essentially, we're putting in this, and we want to be returned to this. All this is looking for is values where Y occurs in both of these columns. What we can plan to do is to filter out any rows where these two columns are not equal. So that's the logic we're going to go with going into this question. We can come over to the coding section, and we're going to start off with return, as we're going to go for a one-line solution here. We're going to do products, and we're going to index while referencing products again, but we're going to put it in a parenthesis as this is going to be the first argument within our statement. We're then going to index for low fats first, as that's the first column we need to filter. We can set this equal to the string of Y, as that's what we want to keep. We're then going to come over and we're going to do an AND symbol, as this is going to be only one portion of the argument, as we need both of these statements to go through at the same time. We're then going to put another parenthesis, and we're going to do products, and you could probably guess that we're now going to index for recyclable. And once again, we're going to set that one equal to Y. Now, the last thing we need to notice is that it only wants us to return the singular column of product ID. So we're going to set the data frame equal to just product ID. So we're indexing just the column. We could run this to test it, and you could see it was accepted. We could submit, and you could see here that our answer beats 80% in terms of runtime and 40% in terms of memory. Now that's how you can do LeetCode 1757, recyclable and low-fat products. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.